How's it going, everyone? I'm Jason with the Review Suite, and in this video, we're going to take a look at 4 iPhone 11 cases from RINGKE. So for full disclosure, RINGKE did send me these cases to review. I don't have plans to buy the iPhone 11, but I did want to show you guys these cases because they are very affordable. And you know, here at the Review Suite, we love affordable products, so let's get into it. Starting from the left, we have the RINGKE Fusion Clear, followed by the Fusion X Black, and that's followed by the Onyx Black, and lastly, the Air Clear. Each case is made from thermoplastic polyurethane. On the left side of each case, you'll find a quick catch to attach a lanyard or a strap. Now, what's great about RINGKE cases is that you can choose between what looks good and what can offer the most protection. So if you just want a basic level of protection in a clear case to show off the color of your iPhone, go with the Air Clear. The Air Clear is the softest out of all 4 of these cases. And again, it just gives you basic coverage for your iPhone. If you want to show off the colors of your iPhone with a little bit more protection, go for the Fusion Clear case. The Fusion Clear case is almost identical to the Air case. The only difference is the Fusion Clear case has the polycarbonate back. This makes it a little bit more harder than the Air case. Now, the Onyx case is my favorite out of the bunch. It feels about as durable as the Fusion Clear case, and whichever iPhone 11 color you choose, it will go well with this case. Out of all 4 of these cases, the Fusion X is going to give you the most protection for your iPhone 11. The rugged exterior is great for handling and protection from drops. In my opinion, it's not the most stylish, but for that extra protection, it's certainly worth it. So now that we know what these cases offer, let's talk money. We know you just spent $700 on that new shiny iPhone 11, but don't worry, the RINGKE cases are not going to break your pockets, all right? Check this out. The Fusion Clear retails for $11.99. The most expensive out of the 4, the Fusion X, retails for $14.99. If you go with my personal favorite, the Onyx, that'll cost you $10.99. And the least expensive, the Air Clear, is only $9.99. So yeah, guys, very affordable cases for your new iPhone 11. RINGKE offers a few other iPhone 11 cases, so hit the links in the description box to get the best information and prices. If you found this video helpful or informative, let me know by hitting that like button and subscribe to the Review Suite. I'm Jason, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.